Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Beginner 2, Time.
Your lesson's just beginning, but it's 9 a.m. and I'm really running late.
In this lesson, we will learn how to ask questions about time.
It's time to get a job.
You are now going to watch a movie about two friends called Lauren and Catherine. They are going to the cinema. After the movie, we will have a short lesson and quiz. Good luck.
Would you like to see a movie tonight?
Do we have time? I have to be home by 9:30.
Well, I guess it's around 6:15 now. That should be plenty of time.
Alright, let's look in the newspaper and see what's playing.
I haven't seen any of these movies. How about this one? The Scorpion.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a good movie. How much time do we have?
I don't know. It starts at 6:30. Do you have the time?
Yes, it's 6:25.
That gives us almost 3 hours. That should be plenty of time. So let's go get tickets.
I don't have any cash. Do you think I can pay with a credit card?
Let's look. It says you can, but if there's a problem, I can buy your ticket.
And I can pay you later.
What time's my date gonna get here?
Can you remember? What time does the movie start? The movie starts at 6:30. Another way of saying 6:30 is 6:30. What time did Catherine have to be home? Let's listen to her again.
Do we have time? I have to be home by 9:30.
Catherine asks, "Do we have time?" She needs to get home by 9:30. Yes, there is time. They can go to the cinema. Now let's look at some ways of asking the time.
Do you have the time?
Yes, it's 6:25.
This way of asking the time is easy. Do you have the time? You can also say, "Excuse me, do you have the time, please?" Or, "What is the time, please?" Now it's your turn to have a try. Here is a question about time. See if you can fill in the gaps. What time does the movie start?
What time is it, Max Joke?
What time is it?
3 p.m.?
It is 3 p.m.
Time for fishy food?
Here is another way of asking the time. Can you fill in the gaps? That's it. Excuse me, do you have the time, please?
It's dinner time.
Well done. I had a great time. We have learned how to ask the time. Do you have the time, please? And what time is it? And what is the time, please? See you next time.
It's 11 p.m. and it's time to go to bed. Good night.